I was starting to record with my stupid camera and it was all fogged up from my bus ride. That tractor looks brand new. I never seen a tractor like that before. Right by my favorite station. Oh shit, there's a cop back there. No way, that's a first, man. A snowplow and a cop at the same time. Awesome. Am I in the way? I'm in the way. Yeah, man. Fuck, wind is unbelievable today. Oh, here's that L9000 I was waiting for. You guys got the bonus. I saw that truck go by about 25 minutes ago. I don't know, something like that. Oh yeah, I've got a tag team going up here. Holy cow, look how zoomed in and look at this visibility. It's terrible. Fuck, incredible. I'll have to clean off the lens again, of course. Look at that. That's the shot, man. That's the shot. Woo! Yeah, I had a feeling I was going to get these guys in the rebound because Newman Boulevard ends down there. What the hell? Working in harmony, clearing the boulevard. Good job, there, boys. Man job. Keep it up. Whoa. Let's do it this way instead. Avoid the wind. Thank you, clean window that's not fucked up. It's gratuity and graffiti and all that crap. Only because it's on a major intersection. Excuse me, intersection. And why the hell do you have to have fenders on fucking tractors? This is an over-redundant world this has become. I noticed this recently. I don't think I mentioned it.
This is nothing. It's February in Canada.
Ooh, I love curvy action. Damn it. Needed to take that bus. Oh. Sorry for the condensation, I just came out of the metro. I'm supposed to be parked there, move that shit box. Right on. Good timing.